Welcome! In front of me I have CMF Watch 3 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to start the workout on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, press the crown button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu. Actually you don't need to scroll through it. At the top of the menu you will see the exercise option. Tap on it and here you have the list of workout you can start. Find the workout you want to start, tap on it. As you can see, it won't let me start the workout until I wear my watch. So I'm gonna put my finger on the sensor. Once it detects the heartbeat, it will let you start the workout. Then we can tap on start. As you can see, it wants us to wait for the GPS location, but it won't get it right here. So I'm gonna tap on skip, but you can wait until you find the GPS location. And the countdown will start. And after it's done, it will basically begin the workout. And here we have the timer, heart rate, steps, distance. We can swipe left on the screen to open the music controls. And here you can basically control the music on the phone that is connected to your watch. So if you're playing some music on the phone that is paired with your watch, you can control the playlist by playing the music, pausing it, skipping the songs, going back to the previous song, adjusting the volume and stuff like that. If you swipe right on the home screen, it will open the pause menu, and here you can pause the workout. You can lock the touch screen. So if you try to use the touch screen now, it will be locked and you need to press the crown button, then unlock the touch screen to make it work again. And you can stop the workout completely by tapping on stop button, and on the home screen you can swipe up and down to see more stats. Okay, and if you're done and you want to stop the workout, press the crown button or swipe right on the screen. Then tap on stop, tap on check mark, and it will be stopped. And then we can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you start the workout on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.